I wanted to record a video today because I have been on a journey. I've been on a journey the past few months to really dive into learning Midjourney and Chatgpt and all kinds of other fun AI programs. And I have recently started doing some visual storytelling TikToks. And in order to save time, I had started playing around with trying to train ChatGPT and Bard both to write Midjourney prompts in the correct format, just to save me a little bit of time with my storytelling. Let me tell you, it is quite a process to train ChatGPT and Bard to write prompts, but once you have them trained, they do a decent job. Not great, but decent. The problem is that they do not retain the knowledge. And I learned that the hard way. It ends up being kind of a big waste of time because they do not retain the knowledge that you teach them once you get them trained to write the prompts. So I actually wanted to share with you a really fun and useful, incredibly useful extension that I found for ChatGPT that enables it to write awesome prompts for you for Midjourney, and it just saves so much time. So I'm going to share that with you today, and I'm going to show you how to use that. So you just go ahead and open up your ChatGPT, and you'll see here that I already have it downloaded, the extension. It's called PRMDB for ChatGPT. So in order to download this, you just need to go. Also, I'm on Google Chrome. I'm on a Google Chrome desktop. This will look slightly different if you are on a Chromebook. This little menu up here in the top right corner, you're going to want to click that. And if you are on a desktop, you might have your extensions here. Now, if you're on a Chromebook, you would go down to More Tools, and then you would end up seeing it in this menu here, and you would just check your extensions there. So you're going to want to select Extensions, and you're going to want to go to Visit Chrome Store. Go ahead and open that up, and you're going to type in PRMDB. There it is for ChatGPT. I already have it downloaded, so I've got this little check mark, but if you didn't, you would go ahead and click it, and it is free to add to your Chrome bar. And if you want to check and see your extensions to make sure they're enabled, you would just go to Manage Extensions, and you'll see that it's right here. So again, that is PRMDB for ChatGPT. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you go ahead and click Midjourney Prompt Generator. Now, I did teach myself how to properly structure Midjourney prompts and do everything the long, hard, dirty way before I found this, and I'll just save so much time, but you do not have to be anywhere near as specific when structuring your prompts. You can just do it super quick, so I'm just going to give you a really easy example. So a red-headed woman walks on the beach at midnight. The sky is clear and full of stars, and the moon is full. The aspect ratio is 16:9. Now, you do not have to enter the aspect ratio. I like to do it because I like a specific aspect ratio, but that is not something that you have to do. It will give you aspect ratio if you do not put it in. And as you see, you just hit enter, and it gets to work writing all these awesome prompts for you. And they're usually pretty decent. They really are. Now, just like anything with Midjourney, sometimes they're hit or miss. Sometimes you might not get exactly what you want. But they work pretty well for me. See, so just from the simple sentence that I typed here, you can see a red-headed woman walks on the beach at midnight. The sky is clear and full of stars, and the moon is full. She gazes at the horizon where the ocean and the sky meet, feeling a sense of serenity and solitude. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but basically you should just read through here, and if there's anything in here that you don't like or you want to edit, just go ahead and take it out. It really doesn't matter. You can also see that it already has the Imagine here. I usually do copy and paste the whole thing, but I typically will just backspace that. Something about my neuroses makes me really just want to, I'm just going to go ahead and copy that with Control-C. Sometimes I will open up a notepad and I will just copy all of the prompts at the same time so that I can close Chatgpt and I don't have to go back and forth. But just for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to copy and paste. Going to open up Discord. Log in. Computer's being a little bit slow because of my screen capture software. Come on. All right, here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to my server. And if you don't know how to create your own server, I highly, highly recommend that you do that. That way you don't have to see everybody else's prompts scrolling past. It's super annoying. So just create your own server. This is an example that I had created earlier, and I got great results. The results will probably be really similar because the prompt was similar for that. But anyway, you just type your /imagine. I'm going to Control-V, and I'm going to go ahead and edit that out, hit enter, and then we just wait. I am using the paid version of Midjourney. I honestly think that it is just incredibly, incredibly worth it, and it's a very good value for your money. And as you can see, even though it does appear similar to the one that I did earlier, it is a little bit different. You can really play with these however you want, and there are several options that it does give you. So I'm just going to wait for it to fully render, and then I will blow it up for you. Now see, this is okay, but I don't love that the sky is not full of stars. The one that I did earlier, the stars really feature, and I really like that. So let's see, I would really like more focus to be on the stars, and I could do that with some weighting. If you would like a video on how to do that, let me know. But this is pretty much it. You would just re-roll. I might go ahead and re-roll since there aren't any stars. And then you just upscale the version that you like, or, you know, you can click various versions if you would like something similar to them. We'll see if we get any stars with the re-roll. But anyway, this will save you so much time if you do something like digital storytelling, or if you need to generate a lot of prompts in a very short amount of time. I highly recommend using the PRM extension for Chatgpt. It really does save a lot of time, and it is free, so there's really just no reason not to. It's PRMDB. And it is done. So let's check the reroll. There we go. See, that is so much better. I really like version 1. So I'm going to click version 1 to try to get some more similar results. But I am going to blow that up. I also really like that. Some really beautiful results generated with the extension. So I hope you liked this video. If you would like any more videos on either Midjourney or Chatgpt or even Bard, just let me know. I also do graphic design with Canva, so I can show you how to create pretty much anything with Canva. Let's blow that up. So pretty. I love it. So just let me know if you would like to see any more similar videos. And I really hope that you liked this video today. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you would like to come along with me on my AI journey and learn along with me. Thanks so much.